Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the progress dialog box in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Eclipse ADT bundle I already open and window Android Virtual Device Manager and select our AVD and start and launch. So when we can complete our design and coding, so our device is ready. So yes, that after complete this progress, we can close this window. Yes, and our device is appear. So I take as minimize and now in file menu in new Android application project. Yes, and that we can take here that is a progress dialog box. Yes, so we can say that progress and that is dialog. So dialog, yes, so progress dialog. So yes, in Android there are six type of dialog box. That is we can say that first is simple dialog box, then alert dialog box, then progress dialog box, date picker dialog box, time picker dialog box, and character picker dialog box. So first, yes, what is dialog box? So dialog box is a smallest window that prompt to user to give some additional or take that decision. So that is a dialog box. And progress bar and progress dialog both are separate class, and that we can say that separate concept. So here that work means we can apply is same similar type of logic like in progress bar. So here progress dialog box is we can also use thread class same way in the progress bar class. So let us check. Yes, I take as next and our default folder is perfectly selected. Now yes, our icon and background color next, that blank activity next, and that is main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is Excel based layout file in Android, and then finish button I click. So that uh, load their SDK's component. You can look in status bar, and after complete this process our apps is create. So yes, very few seconds that load that all component. Yes, our apps is create. And now what to do? So yes, I first select this hello world and that is text view and I delete. So now in that is in layout file in that is our graphical layout in Android. So I take only one button and that is two tab graphical and activity underscore main that XML file. So yes, that is some time that not responding. So that takes some process here. Yes, now complete. And now what to do? So here I give the btn show. Yes, so display. So display what you have to use also. I here I use show means our progress dialog box is appear. So we can take as yes on click event. So that is a btn and show. Yes, and then we can provide text color, so hex, and that is hexadecimal, so 0040 and ff blue color. And then we can take yes text size, so 25 dp, and then last attributes text type, so like bold, italic, that type of, so we can provide as a bold. And save control s and look up our design. So yes, that our design is very simple and that is only one button. When we can click, so our progress bar that progress dialog, progress bar is not, but progress dialog box is appear. So now I open to our Java file source package. You have to know in package and double click. So main activity dot Java file. So that is a open. Yes. So here first we can reference of our progress dialog. yes, that class, so we can take as a reference. So you can look here. So yes, so progress, you can look here first. That progress bar is different package android.widget, and here android.apps package. So I give the that PD, yes, progress dialog. And yes, we can take as handler, like in progress bar we can also take as handler. So I give the PH, so progress dialog handler. So that is a OS package. Yes, that handler is a OS package. So you can look here, android.os package perfectly. Now what to do? So here we can directly take as public void and btn show and our click event button click event, and we can pass as view our parent class argument, and that import the package of view. So android.view package, yes. And now what to do? So p first we can allocate the memory, yes. So yes, first PD, and that is we can take as progress dialogues, and you can look here, that is a context. So here we can pass as main activity dot this, or only you can also pass this keyword. And then what to do? So PD dot, yes, we can use some. So first we can create our that is a object of PD, that is we can use as new operator, new keyword, you can say that. And now we can assign some method that is inbuilt, and that is we can say that set title. So same like in that our dialog box, means alert dialog box, yes, that we have to same title, that message, all that. So now we can say that here my progress dialogues, that type of title. And then we can see that PD set icon. Yes, we can provide icon, and icon that is we can use as r dot drawable resources. And you can also take a paintbrush or Photoshop, you can take to your icon, create and download from internet. But here I use as our IC underscore launcher or Android icon. And then that is our message. So we can say that set message, yes, that method name set message. So we can say that my music file is downloading, or my video is downloading, just that type of message I give. That is because that progress dialog box is there. Now we can say that set maximum value, because that is a progress dialog box, so we can provide as 100. So like in progress bar we can set 0 and maximum, that is 100. And then we can set progress, yes. So starting value provide 0, yes. So yes, we can maintain. I just first order change that set progress is 0, and then set maximum, so 0 to 100, yes, that. Now what to do? So yes, our message is ready. Then we can take as a yes, that is a set progress style, you can look here. So you can also use as constructor, but style, and we can use as same or progress dialog class. So and that is a two style set style horizontal, you can look here. And that is public static constant, so that is uppercase, you can look here, style underscore horizontal, style underscore spinner. So first that is we can take as horizontal. And then yes, so you can yes, here in constructor that is overloaded, you can look here, there are two argument is also, and that is a thing, and that you can also pass. So that constructor is overloaded, you can look here. So you can also pass the progress dot style, means that style here, horizontal or spinner style. So perfectly, and we can use a set progress style method. And then pd dot show, yes, display. And then p dot set cancelable. So we can after set cancel, so I pass the true. And now how to move? Yes, that is very important, because uh, progress bar we can move the thread class, and same way we can here progress dialog box. So that class is different, package is different, and progress dialog is a, we can say that that is a control, but here we can directly like prompt prompt alert dialog box same, but that lookup is some different. So we can use as same thread class, yes, nameless object, and constructor we can call as runnable class, and you can look here anonymous inner type. So that run method is we can, and directly in we can say that start. So thread is start, and now what to do? So here we can take as while loop. Yes, and you can also take like one integer variable progress bar value, like we can in progress bar control PV and less than or equal to 100. Yes, you can also provide that type of while loop, but here we can use as inbuilt method. So yes, PD dot get uh, progress. So you can look here get progress, and less than or equal to PD dot get. So I use as method get max. So set max we can provide 100, and here get. So you can look here set progress is 0 and set max is 100. So here get progress is less than or equal to maximum 100. So get progress initially at 0, and that perfectly. So we can apply. And now what to do? So we can take as try catch block. So yes, by default not appear, so we can write to ourselves, and that first only one. Yes, so add, that is a sleep method. So in progress dialog box I use as a system clock dot sleep method, but here I use add dot sleep method. So that, and pass the 500, and then yes, your catch block must be try after catch, and we can pass the exception e, and then e dot print stack press, so any error, so that print. Now what to do? So we can take as progress dialog box, that is handler. So post method, yes, and again we can take as runnable class and anonymous inner type. You can look again that method. I give the semicolon and remove this comment line. And what to do? So PD, yes, progress dialogues and increment. So you can look here. We can use as not PV progress like progress bar value, or here progress dialog box value. But here I use all in if condition we can use as an inbuilt method, and here increment is a method is there. So we can use increment progress by how many value in the integer. So I pass 2. So that is an increment by 2 value. So perfectly. Now what to do? So after this while loop, yes, that while loop is complete to here, and we can provide if condition. So again, same p dot get progress, yes, that is same as our while loop, and equal to pd dot get max, both are equal, so while loop is false. And what to do? So we can say that p, and that is dismiss means close, so that after 100 that automatically close. So that perfectly, yes. So that type of coding can apply, and let us check. So yes, that coding is finished complete. So how? Yes, perfectly, you can look here. So I use in here also in if condition we can use inbuilt method, and here while loop and if condition both I use inbuilt method. And here we can increment, also use increment progress by. Yes, you can pass 2 4, that depend upon your requirement. Here I pass 2, you can also jump to 4, like that is increment by 2 value, 4 value, 6, any number of 5. There is no any that not at even or odd, you can apply any number of value, but small you can provide, so that is better to watch. So progress dialog box how to move. Yes, so that is a finish to our coding. So let us check. I think our device is ready. Yes, ready. I open the lock. Yes, and now we can run to our Android progress dialog box. So Android application run as, yes, here Android application, and yes, save. Yes, that I think that not so control as I provide. So yes, wait a few seconds. That is very not perfectly, yes, that taking time. So provide just now very short time that our apps is run. So yes, here in status bar you can look here some component, and that so our progress dialog box apps is running. So yes, here I very short way explain to you. Yes, you can look here our application is appear. So I click show button. So yes, here some error is appear. So let us check what is a problem. So yes, that is a, you can look here. So no such method. Okay, so here that button click event is not find. Yes. Yes, here button click event. So let us check in our design view and check to here. Yes, BT and show. Yes, and here in main Java file we can provide BT and show underscore click. So that is a no such method is there. Yes, perfectly. So we can provide here click. So that, yes, I save perfectly. So Control S, and now I run again our app. So look, that is a here. I think now that perfectly. So no such method. So we can use any error. So detect in look at window. So that is very simple error is create. So that our on click event is not matched to our layout means here we provide in XML file. So perfectly. Now what to do? So how to detect to your error, that is also important in Android. So now look here. Yes, you can look here. My progress, that is our title. Yes, our icon, my music file is downloading. That is our message. And you can look here, two increments. So 2 by 2 and up to here, how many? So you can look automatically that display. So out of 100, you can reach to your progress dialog box. And after 100 is complete, so that automatically dismiss, close. So yes, that is yes, I auto cancel set cancelable. I think we can provide. So that dismiss. So let us check. So perfectly, and now yes, so auto cancel. Yes, that is we can pass as true. And here let us check equal method. So get progress. Yes, perfectly. So that is a dismiss. And here we can try as false. Yes, so set cancelable false. So let us check that difference or not. So now I what to do? So we can change the style also here. That is a horizontal style. Now we can apply the style change, and that is a style underscore spinner. So we can two change. So first we have to change the style and set cancelable false. So that is we can provide here dismiss method. So that automatically close after reaching to our, so get maximum, yes, and get progress bar. So both are match means our while loop after that is complete and means our while loop is false. So both are same equal and that dismiss. So let us check. So I save again and now run that our apps. So let us check that style how. So that is a ring circle. Yes. So yes, I when click that is now running our apps. Yes, very short. That is second time run. So very short time that our apps is running. So very simple logic I apply. So look here. Now, yes, you can look here. So that is a not giving the out of 100 and how value. So that is a ring, or we can say that spinner style. so that our music file is downloading or our video is downloading, that type of message. And yes, that is after. Let us check. So horizontal is better because we have to see the how many value is increment, but here that is a yes, that moving. And after complete 100, so that is a close or dismiss, we can use as a dismiss method. So that is perfectly. Yes, so let us check. Yes. So wait, yes, here I give the 500. So that is a, we can use as a progress, that is a sleep method. Yes, you can look here 500. So yes, that not automatically cancel. So let us check, we can improve to our logic. So yes, here set cancelable, or yes, I just give the comment line. And now what to do? So here again I change the style as horizontal. Yes, so we can see how that value is. And now yes, here our while loop is perfectly. Sleep method is I change some fast, so I decrement 300 value, so that is some speed is fast sleep method. Yes, and that increment by 2. Yes, that perfectly. And yes, progress bar equal, that is a get max maximum, so we can set yes maximum is 100. So yes, set max is 100 and set progress is 0. So we can define to ourselves. So now I can run what to do. So yes, let us check. So I already implement in my student in TYBCA, that is a progress dialog box. So that is a perfectly work. So here, yes, also I use a same coding. So let us check, wait, and that is our previously output. So that is a moving, yes, auto, so that auto cancel is not, so set cancelable, yes, and let us check some auto cancel is method or not. So yes, here that is take time. And now yes, that previous output is gone, and now our latest we have to change again a horizontal style, so that very short time our apps is run. Yes, now appear. So you can look here, now I click in show button. So yes, perfectly, you can look very speed is some fast because we have to pass 300 in sleep method. So we cannot consume our time of this session, this video lecture. So let us check, wait, and yes, 100, but that not cancelable means automatically that disappear. Yes, let us check. So what to do? Yes, any method is there. So p dot set auto. Yes, that type of method is not there. So set cancelable is there, but auto cancel is not there. And yes, I already use as set cancelable, can pass as true. Yes, and dismiss method is there, but why that not work? Yes, here can use as set or auto, that type. No, there is no any method. So dismiss is a perfect, you can look here dialog, that is dialog class method, and the return type is void, and that dismiss, so automatically cancel. So we can also use set cancelable true. Yes, let us check set cancelable true. So I save, and last we can try. Yes, let us check that work perfectly or not. So yes. So yes, our output is gone, previously output, and now latest our change output is coming in very few seconds. So yes, that very quick, and now I click. So you can look, wait, let us check that set cancelable true, or we can also use dismiss method. Yes. So let us check. Yes. Yes, 100, but that is not automatically cancel. I click anywhere. Yes, now you can look. I click and that cancelable. Yes, that is also dismiss. So I again click. You can look here. So again, that is a run. Yes, very perfect. And now that dismiss. So we can pass set cancelable true. And yes, now I click anywhere. Yes, you can look here. So previously that not happen. So now perfectly that is I click anywhere. So that is a gone. I direct show you. Yes, you can look very speed up, and yes, 100 complete. And now I click that mouse in anywhere. You can look here. Yes, that cancel. So perfectly now. So yes, you can look that our code is very simple, and that is first we can, I just summarize. So progress dialog box PD and handler PH. So we can say that is a OS package, and that is app package, android.apps progress dialogs. And we can use first create provide the memory allocation new using that is object, and main activities set title, set icon, set message, set progress 0, set max 100, set progress style. Style horizontal is better because ring. Now that also ring is automatically cancel, and show and set cancelable true. And then nameless object and anonymous inner type. So that is a new directly, and runnable class and run method. And we can use also like progress bar, progress dialog box value is less than 200, but here I use get progress and get max less than, so both are inbuilt method. And thread dot sleep in try catch block. Yes. And then handler, we can again anonymous runnable method, and that increment by 2. And after while loop, you can look here, after while loop both progress bar and that is after while loop is closed, means condition is means false. So while loop is complete, then our if condition is true, and that dismiss means, and that thread is start. So we can here start method. So perfectly. So any question regarding progress dialog box, you can write in comment section, and subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakuni. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.